Hey everybody, Jeff from Investment Mob here at the Parker Cafe, and we're helping beginning traders turn into Wall Street savvy investors. And we're back with episode 2 with Mike. If you didn't see the first episode, check the description below, where Mike had a general question that I get all the time is, hey, how do I get started in the stock market? And in that video, we discuss account types. What kind of account should you even open? But today, we're here with Mike, and then we have good news that he opened his account. So tell us a little bit about that, Mike. What'd you go with?
So I went with TD Ameritrade. After researching the other different types, Robinhood, E-Trade. So I decided to go with TD. Reason being is yourself, you're very experienced with that, and I wanted to be comfortable opening up the account and went with TD.
Okay. Now, the second question I get asked after how do I get started in the stock market is going to be probably what Mike's going to ask us today.
The question was, how much should I invest or deposit initially into whichever platform you decide to go with?
So that's the second question. How much money do I need to deposit in my new account? And there really is no definitive answer to this. Some accounts have minimums. Some brokerage firms have minimum requirements. Other brokerage firms have no minimums. A lot of the online brokerages today do not have a minimum. And if there is a minimum, it's very small. So the answer I give when somebody says, how much do I need to get started trading? How much money do I have to put in my account? The answer I give is whatever you feel comfortable with. So what did you feel comfortable with?
So when I opened up the account, you're right, there wasn't any minimum requirement. So I went ahead and I deposited $300. The reason I did this, it was just to kind of test out the platform, learn how to trade, learn how to buy, sell, and I felt comfortable with $300. So
$300 is his initial deposit. Some people feel comfortable putting $100. Some people feel comfortable $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. It all depends on what your comfort level is. Don't ever let somebody talk you into putting more money than you want to put in any account anywhere across the board, not just brokerage accounts. With your money, you have to feel comfortable. Don't let people tell you what to do with your money. And that's really why we're here today, right? So he put $300. Now, if you want to really start trading and swing trading or day trading, you're going to need a lot more than that. So when somebody starts with $300, that's great. Get them in their first trade, and let's try and get some type of investment plan down. So would you feel comfortable every 2 weeks throwing another $100 into that account?
Absolutely, yeah. As I grow, my knowledge within trading grows, I'll definitely start investing more, depositing more money, and growing my account.
So that's what we're going to do here, people. If you didn't see Mike's last video, click on the link that's down in the description box. Check it out. We're going to follow Mike's journey from becoming a beginning trader and turning him into a Wall Street savvy investor. I'm Jeff from Investment Mob. This is Mike, live from the Parker Cafe, enjoying the best latte I've ever had. We're here every Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. Swing by, say hi. See you soon, everyone.